Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Let's start to learn basic HTML. It's a HTML document. Now I will explain HTML document. The doc type HTML declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element. The head element contains meta information. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page. The body element defines the document's body like all the visible contents, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines paragraph. HTML links. HTML links are defined with the A tag. HTML images are defined with the image tag. The HTML document itself begins with HTML tag. The visible part of the HTML document is between body tag. For learning HTML, we recommend a simple text editor like Notepad++ for PC, TextEdit for Mac, or VS Code. Now let's see how to download Notepad++ or VS Code and create folder for our first project. Let's see how to download Notepad++ or VS Code. Go to the search bar. Click download Notepad. Click the first one. It's for 64-bit. Click on download. Click in start download. Now we'll see how to download VS Code. Search VS Code in search bar. Click the first one. Click in download. Click the first one if your PC is Windows. Click start download. In this video description, have our Facebook link. Join with this page and share your problem.